This is part 3 of my customized Rainbow High Bella Portals doll. We gotta make her other ear. Oh no, I'm having anxiety about it. Just shaping it is so... let's do this. First we have to mix the two pieces, or the A and the B. The bonds, that's what they're called. Gotta mix them together to create one cement putty piece. Let's shape this ear. I need a reference, okay. Girl, hold yourself up. The first time, the first ear, it was already in that shape of her elf ear. Like, it was perfectly shaped. And now this one is, I know they're long. I know she's not like Melanie. She doesn't look like, she's not on point, but she is gorgeous in my opinion. I love this doll. I'm really excited. It's my second time doing this at all. Like, and I'm just really excited to kind of experiment with the different mediums, because this is not my medium. Customizing is not my forte. Like, it is not something I do daily. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is a, you know, this is a learning process for everybody. I admit, like, this is not my, I don't do this, and I'm glad I'm doing it. This is so difficult. You guys are witnessing this. Like, this gives me anxiety. Girl, just hold your ear up. Like, and it's gonna be 24 hours for this to cure. Please work with me, elf ear. You can have a floppy ear, I guess. The first one looks perfect. This one just looks like a really infected sausage. I had to scrap it. I have to make a new one. I now like the shape. My goodness gracious. This is annoying. But you know what? Now that I have a gradual shape of what I'm making, now I have a better, like, hold yourself. Girl, I'm not doing this. There you go. Stick it on the, all right, girl. I really hate how these dolls can't just, my God, sit up. I gotta, like, sculpt it to her head. There we go. And it's not gonna be perfect. It's not gonna be perfect. And I know that these ears are so wide and big, like, these are not portal ears, but they are portal ears. And she's a Portal's Rainbow High. And that's just how it's gonna be. There we go. Oh my gosh, I got the shape. Now, it's impossible to keep the shape because the clay does not dry right away. You have to wait 24 hours. I got the shape. I just put in all the piercing holes. And honestly, I think I like this ear better than the first one I actually did. So here she is. Here she's coming together. Okay, now I'm gonna go place her down in a position where this is gonna open up. Looking at her ears together, one of them, the new one, was freaking huge. So I cut it. I literally cut it. And now I have to reshape. Now we somehow let her sit for 24 hours. Her first ear is still dry. Follow from more updates.